Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I am back at Bramley Moor for my weekly Bramley Moor update, and I've been able to make it on a Sunday today. Let's start that again. There doesn't seem to be anyone on site, and as I said before, I prefer to not prefer, but I do like to go and watch my kids play football on a Sunday. So sometimes I just can't get down here on a Sunday. So yeah, but today was too early kick-off for the boys, so I was able to get it done. And my youngest, he's I might as well share this. He's been playing as a goalie ever since he started playing football about 18 months ago, and this season he started playing out. And today his team were getting beat 3-0, and he scored in the very last kick of the game to make it 4-3, very last minute. So yeah, and I caught it on my phone. Shall I show it? Yeah, have a look at the goal, and then we'll get back to the video. Have you got it? It's not a stop. I hope you like the goal. So anyway, back to the video in hand. So let me get a little bit closer. Now I must say, I've just drove up by Costco, and this ground looks brilliant. Driving down the Dock Road now from Costco towards Bramley Moor. It's you can really see the shape of it, you know what I mean? It looks like a football ground now. Okay, it hasn't got the brickwork and that up, but you know, the shape and everything, you can just see it's a football ground when you're driving up the road to it. So again, there's quite a lot of cranes on site. Yeah, and so let me start over there. So that's really coming up now. You can see it coming over the Bramley Moor wall from where I'm standing. So that's really coming up to height now. That'll be reaching them corners in no time. That will, and then I see all these corner sections have well and truly took shape. So let's get down to what's going to be the main stands. Quite a lot of work going on down here now. Again, it seems to be coming up at the same rate as the west stands. The east stands. The east stand and west stand seem to be coming up at the same rate. But they both look like they're going to be pretty wide stands, these two. Have a nice slow flyby. See, pitch wise, there's not much change on the pitch, so there's not a lot to report. So it's a good job we can't fly over it. Well, we can't, but they don't want us to, is what I should say. So getting around to what everyone is interested in the money shot, the south stand. So once I get over there, so I'll pretty much get nice and low. I'll do my sweep out of me easy, so I'm still over the dock, so there we go. That's as low as I'll take it, and I'll have a little sweep along now. You got those, there's more of that work going on the top of the stand there. You can see that there, you know, like the north stands. Oh. Got a nice look through. Is there anything else that you want me to talk about? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to start addressing the comments again soon. I think it's important to get as much footage as I can of the dock. Let me just turn around to make sure I'm in a safe place. Yeah, absolutely nothing in my way there. No. Right. Slow down a touch, I think. As always, once I get to the corner, I'll lift it up again. So that's just another look to me right. Yeah, clear of everything there, so I'll have a little look from the corner. Back up a touch, don't want to get too close. There we go. So a nice little look along the corner there. So I will take it up above the cranes again. Yeah, the cranes are putting in, I've got no chance of hitting them. Get above the cranes and then carry my little fly around, a little chat. So yeah, it's really coming on. As I say, you know, just approaching the grounds, you can see the shape of it. It looks brilliant. And once I just can't wait to see it completed. If I'm being honest, as the boss say, once all the brick and all the brickwork and all the fascia's done, and it's completed basically. It's going to look the part. Yeah, just glad no one's on site today, so we can get a good look around. Oh, there's a little roadway there that takes you in and out of the site, if you like, the pitch site. I'm hoping the trusses are going up soon. I've had loads of different dates now, and it hasn't happened on them dates. It's obviously weather dependent, isn't it? But yeah. It's a nice 360 of the ground there that I've done. Yeah. If anything's got anything that they want to see, let me know in the comments, and I'll do as best as I can to see it. I think regarding new news, I don't think there's much new news that no one else has reported on, so I'm not going to copy what everyone else has said. So Everton Football Club have made their statements, so I'm just going to regurgitate what they've said. I may as well not make the videos. I'd rather just have my own take on it and just do everything raw, if you like. Yeah, but all the other guys have had their say on what's new, on what's going on, so there's no need for me to repeat it. Okay, so I'll leave it there, and I will see you at the next one. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. And this is day 6 or day 7, depends when I put the video out, of my little quest to help grassroots football teams out. Okay, so please watch the videos, please subscribe, because you'll be helping the grassroots football teams out this month. Even if you don't do it this month, it'll be helping them out this month, and then you can subscribe again then. Okay, so I'm trying to help out as much as I can. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll speak to you all soon.